My name is Chris Strickland, and noticed a lot of strange videos floating around the internet with sounds on them. A lot of them I think are fake. A lot of them I think are just viral videos with overdubbed sound effects. This is not fake, and I want you to hear it. You might can hear it right now. This is inside my apartment, and I'm gonna just go straight out and let you hear this. So here we go. That's so loud, it's ringing my ears. So that spot there, that's serious. So, I'm gonna get the fuck out of here. I don't like that kind of shit.